So how many of you have this problem? You have a RAV4, go to get in your car, shut your door, and someone knocks at the window on the passenger side, says, "Unlock the door." And you look over here and you can't see which button it is. We're going to fix that with our next project. So with the stock switch, you have your 4 window buttons and only the left driver's side is lit. And you have a little light that will come on for your locking window, but no lights for the door locks. And for the replacement, each of the windows is lit, and it looks like we've got no lights here either, but we're going to switch it out and see how it looks tonight. With my kit, it comes with one of these little pry bars, and what you want to do is get back here under the rear and pop this up, because the front has a little tab, so you don't want to pry from that end. So once it's up, just slide it back, and there will be a connection here to the rear. Press this little tab down and that will slide out. And then we get our screwdriver, and there are 3 screws to remove. So let me get them off and I'll be right back. With the screws removed, this just pops off. The new one goes right in there. It's a really easy install. Probably won't take you more than 5 minutes or so, unless you end up dropping a screw down in the door well, which wouldn't be good. I always love it when you're shooting a video and a plane flies over, decides to mess up your audio. All right, well, the plane's making a bunch of noise, so let me just shut this off. With our last screw tightened, get our plug. And I'm going to make sure that your tab on this side is facing up. Slide that back in, and there's some little clips here for your cable up here to go into. Slide your front tab in first. And that's it. So let's take a look at it tonight in the dark and see what lights up and what doesn't. So at night, you can see here, this is the panel. I'm sure you can't see anything there, but it is not lit. I'm going to wait for these lights to go out on the interior of the cabin. All right, with the lights out, and what we do is we turn on the headlights And now we can see them. Just barely. And now from an angle, maybe harder to see the door lights as opposed to when you get right over top of them. But it is a minor improvement. Well, that's a wrap for the RAV4 update. Thanks for dropping by. I hope you learned something today. If so, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe for my next video. See you later.